Good day everyone, I am Rika Jindayanan and this is the continuation of Ms. Masende's report about ballroom. So, we are here now in the two classifications of ballroom dance. So, naasya ay duha. So, the Latin dance and the standard dance. So, first, let's define what is Latin dance. So, Latin dance is distinguished themselves by the costume worn by performers. So, they are somewhat revealing, tight, fitting, sexy yet sophisticated in nature. So, they are also distinguished by the nature of movements. There are a lot of hip movements in Latin dance. So, murag kini siya is ang more on sa mga suoton ani sa mga performers is fitted jud siya. Ang mga lalaki na performers is nakatoksido na pinagarbosa. Then ang mga babae ani is nakapit jud siya above the knee ang iyahang mga dress. So there are four examples of Latin dance. First is the cha-cha. So cha-cha is originated in Cuba. It is lively, flirtatious ballroom dance full of fashion and energy. So kini na mga kuan is sayaw na what do you mean by cha-cha from the word cha-cha? So dapat kuan siya energetic jud siya. So it is known for quick steps and the cha-cha rhythm. So, ang iyang mga music ani is kanadjong maka-ignat sa imong energy. So, this dance shows energy, playfulness, and sharp movements. So, the second example of Latin dance is the rumba. So, rumba, it is originated in Cuba, gihapon. So, most romantic and sensual dance, referred to as grandfather of the Latin dance. So, kini, about sa rumba is marag kuan jud siya kanang touchy siya, slow ra iyang music. So, it focuses on smooth movements and body control. So, naadjud sa mga magsasayaw ang kanang ilahang body control dapat tagalihok nila na adjoy rhythm. So, it's smooth diri lahi ra sa cha-cha na kuan siya, lively siya. Kini marag sensual gari kanang with feelings jud. The next example is the jive. So, jive is used from African Americans in early 1930s. It is a lively swing dance and variation of jitterbug. So, ang kining kuan ay jive is fast and energetic siya. So, nag-develop siya og swing dance in United States. So, kuan siya, quick footwork, kicks, and jumps. So, jive shows happiness, enthusiasm, and strong energy. So, just like sa kuan pa din siya sa cha-cha na nag-require og energetic na movement sa mga mag-perform. So, next is the samba. So, samba is Afro-Brazilian of the Black American in Brazil. So, it is lively and rhythmic dance that originated in Brazil. So, also known po ni siya sa bouncing movements and fast tempo. So, ang samba po di is fast po diyang kuan kanang iyahang timing sa music. So, expresses joy, celebration, and cultural pride. So, often performed during festivals like carnival. So, ang samba is na permini siya manimo makitaan sa mga carnival na mga events. Proceed na sa standard dance. So, ang diba ang ballroom is na siya duha ka classification. So, the Latin dance and the standard dance. So, standard dances, on the other hand, wear formal ankle length gowns for females and coat and tie for males. So, most of the time, movements in this are restricted to close ballroom position with partners. So, kuan dahil lahi siya, kabaliktaran siya sa Latin dance. Kay, ang Latin dance is above the knee man. Kini is, kuan siya, ang dress sa isa ka babae is from, kuan siya kanang tago iyang legs diri sa ankle. So, ka-example ang standard dance. First is the waltz. So, waltz originated dance in Australia. Progressive dance marked by long flowing movements and continuous come and rise and fall. So, kailangan ang mga movement diyan ay kahit continuous thumb. So, rise and fall, kailangan ang mga magkuan ani is pinaana jud siya. So kontrolado pod ang movement sa magsasayaw. So next is the quick step. So it is originated dance first in Caribbean and Africa before it was developed in New York. Comprised of extremely quick stepping, syncopated feet, rhythm, and runs of quick. So from the word quick step, so dali na pagkuan gibali mo siya naglutaw gali kay murag sa kapaspas sa iyang mga steps is murag di naman siya murag feel na nimo na naglitaw. So next is the Venice Waltz. So it is merged in the second half of the 18th century from German dance and the lander in Australia. It has an elegant rotational movement. So same ra gyapon siya sa kuan waltz tong first na example. Ang kuan lang ani na kuan lang nahilahi lang is na siya iyang pag movements is naa sila rotations. So that's all. Thank you. I hope you learned about. So bye.